Hi guys, it's Kristin with apokreations, and this is the Froggy Friday monthly collab. So the glitter resin that I'm using, it's leftover from my Valentines collab, and these are all of the amazing glitters that Laura from Laura's Art Corner sent me for the Valentines collab. So be sure to check out her website and use my discount code so you can get all of these beautiful glitters. So I used the glue technique, and so it's very globby, but you know, it does the trick. And be sure to check out the Froggy Friday playlist in the description below and check out all of the amazing frogs that everybody has made. Okay. And I'll be back for coat number 2. Okay, guys, so this is part 1 of my Froggy. And to part 2, I am going to be putting in these super fine glitters from Into Resin. And I don't know if they're the same type as the non-sync glitters, but we're gonna find out soon. I'm just waiting for my resin to get out of the debubbler, and then we will get going with this. Okay, so I made 4 ounces of, and I know I'm not going to use that all, so I'm just going to toss it into my new heart mold. But anywho, I made up 4 ounces. Into it, I am going to put both the red and this pinky red. I don't, like, none of them have names on it because it's the stuff from Into Resin, but, you know, it's pretty, so. As I'm making a mess. 2 heaping spoonfuls of that one. Get that all stirred up. I don't know why I ran it through the debubbler first. It is transparent, but it's pretty. I'm gonna let that run into his feet real quick. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my G3 and pour the rest of this stuff here in my heart, and I will see you for the demold. Time for demold. There's probably going to be lots of bubbles, but I don't care because it's a cute froggy. And for once, I don't have a bunch of overspill on my daggone feet here. Yeah, still bubbles under the chin. Oh, well. Ta-da! Such a pretty Valentine's Froggy. Okay, I have to paint his eyes. I'll be right back. All right, let's try the purple one. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work either. All right. I'll paint him before the glamour shots. So let me know what you think of my Valentine's Froggy. Very glittery, very shiny. All right, do me a favor, subscribe if you're not already. Hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think of my Froggy. I'll put the QR codes up for the Buy Me a Coffee and the YouTube subscription. And I will see you guys for the next one. Oh, wait a minute. Be sure to watch the Froggy Friday playlist. We're doing them once a month now. So check out all the new Froggies. All right. I'll see you guys for the next one. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.